Hello. Today I'm gonna paint again. I made a sketch and I want to paint that sketch on the fabric that I have. I need to put the base layer of white paint on there, which I'm gonna do first, but I'm not sure if I even have enough paint, so we will see. I'll just try. And then afterwards, when it's dry, I'll hang it up here and then I'll paint on here. I hope that it won't stain through the wall, but depending on how much white paint I have, hopefully it won't stain the wall. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm too lazy to iron the fabric, so it has some creases in it, but it is just part of the art. So that's my plan. I'm probably not going to film the base layer process of the white paint because it's just nothing really is happening. So I'll do that first, I'll let it dry, and then I'll hang it up on the wall, and then I'll be back. Bye! Okay, so now I'm going to start with some sketching on there first, so I have a rough idea where I want things to be. I'm gonna start painting now. I was just thinking that when you paint, this is obviously taking very long. Even the base took me a long time because I had to be really smart about the use of my white paint and stuff. And at least I get into this meditative state where so many things just come in my head. But one thing I was just thinking about is that, I'm always questioning who the fuck would even want to have any of my artwork. When I was younger, I would compare myself to the ability of the other kids around me, and I always felt like they were way better at drawing realistic stuff, and their stuff was great. But then I would definitely not hang up their stuff on my walls, even though it looked good. I wouldn't. So I'm sure that just with style, I see people on the street and I'm oh, that looks amazing on you, but I wouldn't wear it. It's not what I want. That's not what I want to look like. So I'm sure there's people out there that would like my stuff because they like the style of it. Okay, let's keep going. Hello, I'm back. It's dry now. It's mostly dry, but I'm gonna start with the next color now, which is gonna be, this is how the color looks like right now, but the sign in the art shop where I bought this from, the sign, how this color is gonna look completely different. So I'm guessing that when it's dry, it's gonna look different. At least I'm hoping. So I'm gonna go with this one and with two other colors. Enjoy!
Andreas einen Spaß, dieses Vorrichten.
Für mich persönlich, und das kann man dann auch probieren, habe da viele Podcasts natürlich über das Thema, darum so dieses Thema zu heilen. Das klingt jetzt ein bisschen
It's slowly evolving. There's still a couple more steps, but it's going good. I think at the end it's gonna be somewhere around what I wanted it to look like. So let's keep going, because it's getting dark outside and I want to get it done today.
so eine ganz düstere Vorstellung für mich, dass man irgendwann ein bisschen
Ich habe irgendwann dafür entschieden, weil bei manchen hat es bestimmt auch nicht geklappt.
Okay, all the paint is done. Now I need to wait, let it dry, and then I'm gonna go in there with my marker. And then at the end with my cutter. And then I think we should be done. Let's see, but first I need to let it dry now. I have to be honest, I'm getting impatient, so I'm just gonna start with the marker now. Because I want to get it done before it gets dark. So I have my marker here, and yeah, I'm gonna start with it. And then I'm done. It is so dark in here now. Oh my god. So I'm done. I'm gonna show you in a close-up at the end how it looks like. Right now I'm happy with what I got. If I would have like a pinkish spray can, I would use it. But I don't. So right now this is where I'm gonna leave the painting. I really like it, but I feel like in the future it's gonna evolve more. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a close-up how it looks like, and otherwise that's it.